Lexus Philippines has officially brought the new 2020 Lexus RC F to the Philippine shores in an event held at Lexus Manila in BGC Taguig. As presented by Lexus, the new RC F now boasts improved performance and revised styling. For its engine, it is powered by a normally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that gives out 471 horsepower and 530 Nm of torque. Additionally, an 8-speed automatic transmission carries over, but a higher final drive ratio has been installed to improve off-the-line response.
This model is a new 5-liter V8 engine, and it's naturally aspirated. It has no turbo, it's brute power, and it can generate as much as 470 horsepower and also over 500 Nm of torque. And this car is actually a improved or newer version of the previous RCF we had.
The new RC F also gets a number of enhancements to exterior and interior looks.
It has its own class. As you can see, it's quite different in terms of styling and performance. It's one of the models that have high engine displacement, which is 5-liter and V8. And it's naturally aspirated, as I mentioned. So this is the raw power that you can experience from this car.